everyone, hi again. This is Jenny and it's Jenny's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna be making a cashew chicken with string bean. Here's my chicken and I have my beans, string beans, and my cashew. So right now I'm waiting for the pan to heat up, and then I will put oil in there and garlic until the garlic is golden brown, and then I'm gonna put in the chicken. So we're today making cashew chicken. As you can see, the thing is golden brown, so I'm gonna put the chicken in there. And once the chicken is golden brown, we're just gonna add the cashew. We're gonna add oyster sauce. I don't like to use too many ingredients, so oyster sauce already have good flavor, so that's all I'm gonna add. And then after it's golden brown, we're gonna add a cashew. So like right now, I'm gonna spread out the chicken. And let it sit there for a while before I add the oyster sauce. Now that the chicken is golden brown, I'm going to add oyster sauce. And then stir to mix it together. So now I'm adding my cashew. And next I'm adding string beans. So I guess we're all done. It smells so good. I can't wait to taste it. Yum. And I like my food spicy, so I'm adding some chili flakes to my cashew chicken. So we'll see how it tastes. Okay, finally I get to eat my cashew chicken. My rice and my chocolate. Gonna test it out.
Go again on the testing. Guinea pig.
How it tastes, honey?
It tastes like green beans.
String beans.
At least it looks like chicken. See, here's the thing about me. Even though she's my wife, I always tell her the truth. So the chicken has flavor and the string bean has flavor. I'm not a fan of the peanut.
Cashew.
Whatever. To me it's a peanut. But it's actually good. Ready to serve.
Well, like I said earlier, husband approved. It means it's good.